All right, what is up, everyone? Here's a quick guide on how to make a neon text in Canva. Right now we're at the home page, and what we're going to want to do is we're going to just make a new project here. I'm just going to have it on YouTube thumbnail for ease of use. And we're going to add some text, add a text box here. I'll just name this sample neon. Ignore that this isn't right. There we go. Make it a little bit larger and center it for you guys. And then all we're going to want to do is we are going to hover over to effects, and then we are going to hit neon. After hitting neon, we can change the intensity here, and we'll turn that all the way up. And then if we want to change the color, all we do is change the text color here. Let's say we want it pink. Now it's pink, and to make it really show up, what we need to do is we need to add a background to this. And a easy way to do that is just to click background, and then we can click a gradient background. And now we have our neon text that's really popping in Canva. Hope to help you guys out. Leave a like and comment for the algorithm, but do not subscribe to me.